Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to remove profile photo on X. So actually X doesn't have a direct delete button to delete your profile picture. However, you can achieve this look if you delete your current profile picture and you replace it with a generic and default image. So let's go to browser. For me it's Safari, and you want to search for X default profile picture. Go to images and you want to find a clear photo of a generic and gray silhouette. This is basically Twitter default profile picture, and let's save it to our gallery as you would normally do. Now let's go back to X and let's set it as your new profile picture. So you have to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen to access this side menu. From here you want to go to your profile, and now let's press edit profile button over here and tap on your small avatar right here and select photo library. Now from your gallery you want to select this photo that you have just downloaded. Additionally, you can adjust the size of the image to fit the circle. You can set it however you want it. Let's tap apply in the top right, tap done, and to save the changes you want to tap save. And as you can see, my profile picture now is the generic default avatar, which makes it look as if I would delete my custom photo. And unfortunately that's the only way how you can remove your profile picture. Let's say remove your profile picture. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.